WooCommerce is a popular e-commerce plugin for WordPress that enables website owners to transform their websites into online stores. It is an open-source platform that provides a wider range of features to help merchants sell their products online easily. In this guide, we will explain how WooCommerce works step by step for beginners. Step 1. Installing WooCommerce plugin. To install WooCommerce plugin on your WordPress site, follow these steps. 1. Log into your WordPress dashboard with your username and password. 2. Go to Plugins, Add New from the left-hand menu. 3. Type WooCommerce in the search bar and press Enter key. 4. Locate the WooCommerce plugin and click on the Install Now button. Once the installation is complete, click on the Activate button to activate the plugin. Step 2. Configuring WooCommerce settings. After activating the WooCommerce plugin, you will be redirected to the WooCommerce Setup Wizard. Follow these steps to configure these settings. 1. Choose the type of products you will be selling from the list provided. 2. Select your preferred currency and location. 3. Connect your store to Google Analytics and Google Merchant Center, optional. 4. Choose the payment gateways you want to use, optional. 5. Configure your shipping options, optional. 6. Customize store's appearance by selecting a theme, optional. 7. Review your settings and click on the Let's Go button to complete the setup process. Step 3. Adding products. To add products to your WooCommerce store, follow these steps. 1. Go to Products, Add New from the left-hand menu. 2. Add a product title, description, and price. 3. Upload product images and select the product categories. 4. Configure product attributes such as size, color, and quantity. 5. Set up product variations if applicable. 6. Publish the product by clicking on the Publish button. Step 4. Managing orders. To manage orders, follow these steps. 1. Go to WooCommerce, Orders from the left-hand menu. 2. View all orders, including pending, processing, completed, and canceled orders. 3. Edit order details such as shipping address, order status, and order notes. 4. Mark orders as completed, canceled, or refunded. 5. Generate order reports to analyze sales and inventory. Step 5. Customizing your store. To customize your WooCommerce store, follow these steps. 1. Go to Appearance, Customize from the left-hand menu. 2. Customize your store's appearance, such as colors, fonts, and layout. 3. Add widgets to your store's sidebar and footer. 4. Customize your store's header and footer. 5. Customize your store's product pages, such as product categories, product tags, and product attributes. 6. Customize your store's checkout process, such as guest checkout, shipping options, and payment methods. In conclusion, WooCommerce is a powerful e-commerce plugin that enables website owners to create an online store easily. By following these steps, you can install, configure, add products, manage orders, and customize your WooCommerce store. With its wide range of features, WooCommerce is an excellent for small to medium-sized businesses looking to sell products online.